When setting up a minimum price or CPM for your inventory in Google Ad Manager, it can sometimes be confusing to see eCPMs that are lower than the minimum CPM you've set when running reports. Does this mean that ads on your website were sold at a value lower than your minimum CPM? The quick answer is no. There are several reasons that can lead to this, but before we go into those reasons, let's first define what eCPM is. Effective cost per mil is a metric used to measure an ad's monetization performance based on the revenue earned per 1,000 ad impressions. In ad exchange reports, aside from ad eCPM, eCPM can also be measured for ad requests and matched requests, which all allow better understanding of how the fill rate, creative latency, and attractiveness of ads impact the overall revenue. Now back to our initial topic. Why is it that eCPMs being reported can appear to be lower than the minimum CPM set? The first possible reason is ad rendering issues. Google Ad Manager tracks impressions each time a creative is downloaded in the user's device and has begun to load even before it is fully viewed by the user. In some cases, however, website visitors close the browser before the ad is fully rendered, or an error occurs in the site's JavaScript that hinders the ad from loading. In these cases, GAM will record the impression since it found a matching ad, but GAM's pixel-based tracking system will not attribute the impressions as part of the revenue or ad impressions since the ad never fully rendered, which eventually causes discrepancies between eCPM and minimum CPM. Another reason for such discrepancy is invalid activity filtering. Google's invalid traffic filtration happens on an ongoing basis. The estimated revenue you see in GAM can still change after adjustments are made when invalid activity filtering occurs, which are not filtered out from impression numbers used to calculate eCPM.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.